Hey guys, Mr.BeauBeau here, and today we are going to be racing the truck series on Iracing at Daytona. Oh gosh, way too fast. At Daytona International Speedway. Truck series. I don't think it's the official. It's not the official one, I'm not sure. So yeah. Qualifying is basically already over, as you saw there. So yeah, qualifying is starting now. So this isn't the official series, this is just the truck series that's, just the regular truck series. And we're racing in the number 8 blue and red Texas club car, I think it is. We'll find out in a minute. But yeah, we're racing at Daytona International Speedway. As you can see that plane fly over there. I gotta keep control of the wheel, and just lost control there. So yeah, we're gonna try to have a good race today. See how well we do. Try not to wreck the car, because I was not the best driver when I first started about a year ago. So, so yeah, I renewed my subscription about a month ago. I can have a week left on my subscription. And so yeah, we're gonna see what we can do at this truck race here. And I'm in a lower class, so these aren't the best drivers. That could probably gonna be a lot of wrecks. So yeah, let's see how we do here at Daytona.
So your first time left.
First time left. Here we go, baby. I was setting great laps in practice, but I was also drafting with people. So, gotta keep it kind of low so you can get a better lap time, because you run less of the track if you ride low. So then you go up from here now. I feel like I'm going really slow right now. Like I'm going 180 miles per hour, but I still feel like I'm going really slow. You're way too high here, but it'll be okay. Just find the line that works. We got one more lap left. Here we go, boys.
One more lap. 51.032.
That is not a very good lap, y'all. Come on, little engine. Let's go. Come on, push yourself, push yourself, push yourself. We are running the high line here just to see what we can do with this high line. Well, I'm not going to do too good though. Like I said, I should have stayed on the low line, because we probably aren't going to do much better. We did a little bit better.
0.841.
Just a little bit. We're going to do one more lap around, as I usually do. Just do one more lap around, and then go into the pits. There's that little TV on the side. I don't know if you guys saw it over there, but it's a little TV. Ooh, did you see that gravel falling up on the top of my car? You can hear it, but I just saw it for the first time right there. So we're going to come back to the checkered flag line right here. We're going to do one more lap pull it into the pits. We're going to finish this lap, and then this time by we're going to go into the pits. Oh, I actually had a better lap that time than I did in my last lap. If the lap I just did would have counted, I would have been 200 milliseconds faster. I think that's what they call it. I'm not too sure. We're gonna pull in down. We came over here with too many, but it's fine. We're gonna stay down here. That was a terrible move. I should not have went down there. It was really bad. The car seems like really loose. Like, my handling is not very responsive, maybe. Maybe not loose. Loose would be a bad word. Did a terrible job braking there. Way too fast in pit lane. And that's not what you want to do in a race car. And now I'm stuck. Shoot, that's not what I wanted to do. So now that that's over with. Now that that's over with, we're gridding up. Oh, we're starting in pit lane. I've never started in pit lane before. This is gonna be fun. Usually I race at Phoenix, and you know you start like actually on the track, so it's gonna be fun to start in pit lane. Currently running 16th. Not the position I wanted, but it's okay. Oh dang, they were setting good times. See, I would have been right. I would have been 15th if my last time would have been set. 24 racers. 16th is not a bad position, so let's see what we can get done here on this track today. Let's see. Just in case we do have to go in, let's go ahead and set this up so fast. We probably won't have to get in, but just in case we do, we have it set up.
Gotcha.
We're gonna go ahead and meet the other drivers, just in case. Water volume full. Good luck, drivers. Oh! Did not realize I was already in first gear. Did not mean to start rolling. Go ahead and turn relative on. Love that 27 National Guard truck. Orange one, that's real pretty.
Alright, man, we're going green next time by. Alright, man, line up on the outside road now. Pit road is closed. Catch the 69 car.
I kind of like being on the outside line. Just because we were running it and qualifying, and I seem to set a better speed up high. So I'm glad we're running the outside line. I do not like this 69 though. I'm afraid he's not going to be... You see how far back he's staying? I don't like that at all. Also, apologize, 44 or 94. I almost ran into him. Do not like this 69. If he could catch up with the other driver, that'd be great. What is the 9 and or 3 doing back there? I don't know who it is, but whatever they're doing, they're messing up a lot.
Get ready.
Get ready. Get ready.
Alright, man. Pace cars in. Green, green, green. Tend to go with the line.
Go, 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 go.
Go low.
Oh gosh, oh gosh.
Inside.
Big wreck, big wreck, big wreck.
All clear, all clear. Inside.
Oh
clear
my
low, clear
gosh.
low. All clear, all clear. Your car is leaking fluid.
We got stuck right in the middle of that mess. Come on.
Your car has too much damage. We've got to fix it.
Freaking great, man. I wasn't even... I got stuck high. I couldn't have went anywhere. And I got freaking wrecked.
Got one outside.
Frick, man.
Still there.
Turn those off. I don't want to replace my tires. Do not begin fueling.
You're clear high. Clear high.
One fast repair is all we need. Oh my gosh. How were they coming out of that fine? Like, they were wrecked, but somehow they're fine. They don't They aren't having to go into the pits or anything like that. But I'm gonna freaking have to. Freaking sucks, man. Just because I wasn't the cause of that wreck. Oh, and the engine's starting to lose power because of the oil.
All clear, all clear.
Freaking lovely. We might not even make it back to the pits. Oil's down. Great, we're gonna have to be
Looks like we've
towed.
lost that motor.
Water's down too. We've officially lost the motor. We're being towed. That's gonna take a minute. Oh my gosh. So frustrated right now. I could. I could throw a desk right now. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna throw a desk. For real though, I am so frustrated. Because I had nothing to do, nowhere to go. There's no way I could have avoided that. We're gonna be in last place. I already know it. We're gonna be in last place. Phew. Come on, 9 seconds. Come on. Nine more seconds.
Got one inside.
Come on, please move. You know I'm faster than you.
Clear low, clear low.
Please move. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Oh gosh, that's not gonna end good. You see, that right there was my fault. But I didn't do any damage. I just got real loose coming out of the turn. I just got real loose coming out of the turn. Nothing I could have do, man. But it was my fault, and I'll take it. If I got wrecked for that, I wouldn't have been upset. Is the other thing, I couldn't control it all, just people being bad drivers. I'll let him go around.
All clear, all clear.
He's a place ahead of me now, I think. But it's okay, I'll let him go around. Oh, gosh! How did he get here so fast? Was that number 12 in first place? Dang, he arrived fast. He arrived real fast, man. Come out of nowhere. He's steady staying with that number 26 right there. Steady has him. Just drifting along. Drafting along, rather. They're coming up fast behind me. That's second and third place right there, the 11 and 2. They're doing oh! Looked like a wreck at first, and I guess it wasn't. Why is he coming low? Why did he come low into me? I don't understand why he came low into me, but it's fine, you know. Of course, fine. It's got a little bit of dent on that right side right there. Oh, and we just lost it. Well, that's gonna be the end of our day.
We've got big problems with the motor.
That is gonna be the end of our day. Oh, the leader had to go into the pit because of the smoking. Oh, that really sucks, man. Do not want to be going to the pits. The good thing is this isn't an official race, so it's not going to take rating points from me, but it really does suck, you know. So we tried hard in practice, and we got our thing down right, and you know, we tried in qualifying, we did an okay job. And we probably would have done good in the race if we hadn't have wrecked like that. So, you know, it was a good try though, and it was a good try. So, I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.